Hey there, it's Sylrette. I got these box braids done a month ago. I would have kept them in longer, but my hair was already starting to escape and the ends kept grabbing the middle and making the braids frizzy. Since these are already short, I'm just going to cut behind the beads and start unraveling these braids. And I can keep these beads for another style. I got these braids done in December. I wanted the style to look really neat, so I decided to go to someone to get my hair braided. The day before, I washed and deep conditioned my hair. Then I put my hair in twist and let it air dry overnight so that it could be stretched. The lady who did my hair blow dried it first. I actually brought my own heat protectant and I also used it beforehand. These braids really weren't tight at all and I could tie my hair in a ponytail the same day. It only took about 3 hours to do because she was really fast and these are short. And by the way, she did my hair the day before Christmas and you know how crazy hair salons can be that time of the year. The hair salon I was planning to go to, they spiked their prices that day. When they told me the prices, I was like, you know what, I'll come back. And I didn't come back. So I called Bay. I'm like, listen, we have a problem. It became a we problem. I'm like, I need to do my hair now. The day's going. It's Christmas tomorrow, which is also my birthday, and I want to get my hair braided. So he called his mom, asked her who does her hair, and that's how I met this lady. So I might be going to her to do my braids and twists from now on. I feel like I can trust her with that, but still, I'm very skeptical about who does my hair because I put a lot of care and effort into my hair, so I don't want anyone to just come and mess that up. I do think these braids could have lasted longer. There were a few issues here and there. One was that I did get caught in the rain a few times. I tried to fix the frizziness with like foam mousse, but that only made it worse because my hair reverted while in the braids and it started to stick out. Also, the roots became loose. I tried to make the front look neat with some gel, but I was having to do that pretty often, and when I have to start doing that, for me it's a sign that it's time to take them down. The takedown is pretty easy, but obviously time consuming. I just have to cut the bead because the ends were melted and then just unravel and pull out the hairpiece when the braid is loose enough. The next day I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I'm using Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. Then I'm applying Dark and Lovely or Naturale Afro Food Butter. I'm also using Dark and Lovely or Naturale Easy Styler Plaiting Pudding, even though I'm not twisting my hair, but it's a good moisturizer and I like the smell. Then I just detangle my hair. I like to do this with products in. I couldn't find the brush I normally use, so I just decided to use my metal Afro pick, which is actually super handy. It's one of the combs that always gets through my hair, so no matter how tangled it is, it's really gentle. Lastly, I'm applying TRESemme Heat Defense. I'm going to blow dry my hair on low heat. Keep in mind that low heat stretches and high heat straightens, basically. Low heat isn't enough to straighten my natural hair, so blow drying on low heat once in a while doesn't really do any damage to my hair. I know this because as soon as my hair gets wet again, it shrinks to like a pixie cut. I used some bobby pins to hold my hair in place, and then I put a hair clip because the hair clip on its own will not hold my hair. As you can see, my hair is moisturized, fully dried, and I can go out the same day I washed my hair.